This is why you need to meet Carlos, the bravest little caterpillar in the garden. In a big leafy garden lived a tiny caterpillar named Carlos. Carlos was small, and all the other insects would zoom past him, making him feel slow and unimportant. He wished he could be fast like the dragonflies or colorful like the butterflies. One day, while munching on a leaf, Carlos heard a big buzz. A bee named Bella was in trouble. She had gotten stuck in a spider's web and couldn't get free. Carlos knew he wasn't fast, but he was determined to help. Slowly but surely, he crawled over to Bella. With his tiny mouth, he nibbled through the web, freeing Bella. "Thank you, Carlos," Bella buzzed. "You saved me." Carlos felt proud, but he didn't realize his journey was just beginning. That night, feeling tired, he curled up in a cozy cocoon. Days passed, and something amazing happened. Carlos transformed. When he emerged from his cocoon, Carlos wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He had become a beautiful butterfly with bright wings. Now he could fly like the dragonflies and sparkle like the butterflies he once admired. Carlos learned that sometimes, even the smallest creatures can grow into something amazing if they're brave and kind.